Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to file annual report for LLC in NJ Easy Method. Begin at the New Jersey Division of Revenue site, log in with your business ID, and choose Annual Report Filing. Confirm your LLC name, principal office, and registered agent information. Have a credit card ready for the $1.50 fee, double-check ownership percentages, then submit and save the confirmation number for your records. I will walk you through each form field and common pitfalls so you can finish confidently. Start by validating your business address, officer names, and ownership percentages. Use the portal's edit buttons to correct errors before payment. After you submit, record the confirmation number and take a screenshot of the receipt. If mailing, include the correct business ID on the check and send to the Division of Revenue address shown on the form. If this guide is helping you, please subscribe and like so I can make more helpful videos. On another note, life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's black ice to keep your drive fresh and distraction-free while you tackle filings. I put a link in the description with deals and details, so check that out. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Let's cover quick fixes for the errors that slow people down. Common issues include wrong addresses, outdated registered agent info, and missing signatures on mailed forms. Always verify names and percentages against your formation documents and confirm the $1.50 payment clears. If you file late, penalties may apply, so set yearly reminders. These small checks prevent headaches and keep your LLC in good standing without extra filings or calls.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.